Ever pondered over the magical transformation of bitter cocoa beans into the delectable treat we call chocolate? Today, we'll unravel the mystery behind the creation of this universally adored indulgence. It all commences with the cacao tree, a tropical plant that thrives in regions near the equator. These trees bear large fruit pods, which contain the raw material for our beloved chocolate. Cacao beans. Harvesting cacao is no easy task. It requires careful manual labor to ensure the delicate pods are not damaged. Once harvested, the pods are cracked open to reveal the cacao beans nestled within a sweet pulp. The beans are then subjected to fermentation, a crucial step that develops the chocolate's flavor. They're placed in shallow containers and left to ferment under banana leaves for 4 to 7 days. This process generates heat, which changes the beans' bitter flavor to a robust, full-bodied one. Next comes the drying process. The beans are spread out in the sun for 5 to 7 days, reducing their moisture content and further intensifying the flavor. They're turned regularly to ensure even drying. The dried beans are then shipped to chocolate manufacturers across the world. Here, they're roasted at temperatures ranging from 250 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This roasting process brings out the familiar chocolate aroma we all love. Post-roasting, the beans are cracked and winnowed, a process that removes the outer shell, leaving behind the nibs. These nibs are the heart of the cacao bean and the basis for chocolate. The nibs are then ground into a thick paste known as chocolate liquor, a misleading name, as it contains no alcohol. This paste is either processed further to separate the cocoa solids and cocoa butter, or used directly in the making of dark chocolate. For milk chocolate, dry milk and sugar are added to the chocolate liquor. These ingredients are then ground together until the texture is as smooth as silk. The mixture is then tempered, a precise process of heating and cooling that gives chocolate its glossy finish and characteristic snap. Without tempering, chocolate would be dull and crumbly. Finally, the tempered chocolate is poured into molds and cooled until it solidifies into the shape we recognize and love. To summarize, the journey of a chocolate bar begins on a cacao tree and involves harvesting, fermenting, drying, roasting, winnowing, grinding, mixing, tempering, and molding. It's a complex process that requires precision, patience, and a passion for quality. So the next time you savor a piece of chocolate, remember the journey it has taken from the cacao tree to your taste buds. It's a testament to the labor of love that goes into every bite. Enjoy your chocolate, knowing every bite is a piece of a journey that spans continents and involves countless hands. Truly, the magic of chocolate is more than just its taste.